my name is Manish Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about existence, uniqueness and stability in market equilibrium. First of all, we are going to talk about existence. At this E point, you can see market equilibrium exists, but there are some cases when market equilibrium do not exist. First is zero production case. This is supply curve, this is demand curve. Supply curve is above than demand curve. That means supply price is very high, price of product is very high, but consumer is not willing to pay that much higher price, so consumer will not buy it. Eventually producer will stop production. It will be called zero production case, and in case of zero production we cannot establish any kind of equilibrium. For example, production of diamond studded pen is possible. Production of diamond studded pen is possible, but producer will not produce it because cost of production is very high, but consumer is not willing to pay that much higher price. Why consumer will willing to pay 5 lakh rupees for diamond studded pen if same task he can perform with 5 rupees pen? So it will be called zero production case. In case of zero production, we cannot establish any kind of equilibrium. In case of free goods, market equilibrium also do not exist. Free goods available in abundance. For example, water. Here you can see this is supply curve, this is demand curve. Supply is more than demand. That means these goods are available in abundance. In case of free goods, market equilibrium do not exist. Now we are going to talk about uniqueness. Market has unique equilibrium if there is only one stable equilibrium point. Market has unique equilibrium if there is only one stable equilibrium point. In this diagram you can see we have E equilibrium point. That means here we have only one stable equilibrium point. That's why this diagram fulfilled the condition of uniqueness. But in this diagram you can see we have two equilibrium point, E1 and E2. That means there is a multiple equilibrium. So this diagram do not fulfill condition of uniqueness, because market has unique equilibrium if there is only one stable equilibrium point. In this diagram we have one stable equilibrium point. So this diagram fulfilled the condition of uniqueness. Now we are going to talk about stability. Equilibrium is stable if after small disturbance system come back to its original state of equilibrium again. Equilibrium is stable if after small disturbance system come back to its original state of equilibrium again. Suppose E is our original equilibrium point, or we can say that E is original state of equilibrium and original price is OP. Now assume because of any small disturbance price increase from P to P1. As price increase, supply exceed than demand. When supply exceed than demand, producer will reduce price. Eventually we come back to this original equilibrium point again. Now suppose because of any disturbance price reduce from P to P2. When price reduce, demand exceeds than supply. When demand exceeds than supply, producer will increase price. Eventually we again come back to this E equilibrium point again. So here you can see after small disturbance system come back to its original state of equilibrium point again. So it will be called stable equilibrium point. Now we are going to talk about unstable equilibrium. When after small disturbance system will not come back to its original equilibrium point, it will be called unstable equilibrium. When after small disturbance system will not come back to its original equilibrium point, it will be called unstable equilibrium. Here you can see DD is demand curve, SS is supply curve, our original equilibrium point is E and original price is OP. Now suppose because of small disturbance price increase from P to P1. As price increase, demand exceeds than supply. Demand is P1T, but supply is only P1K. As we know, in case of luxurious goods, as price increase, their demand also increase because people buy luxurious goods for a show. Here you can see as price increase, demand exceeds than supply. As we all know, when demand for product increase, producer increase prices, not reduce prices. So when producer will increase price, our equilibrium will establish somewhere here. We will not come back to our original equilibrium point. When we are not able to come back to our original equilibrium point, it will be called unstable equilibrium. So this is all about equilibrium. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.